Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Hillsboro's 26-inch snowfall tally certified as all-time 24-hour snowfall record for the state of Texas. However, the mild weather came to an abrupt end on December 17 when an Arctic front blew through the region.
Take our lead.
Most winters, it's not uncommon seeing the surrounding hillsides in a blanket of white. However, there have been 2 instances of snow in Mexico City itself, January 12, 1967, and March 5, 1940. More recently, snow fell in Guadalajara, Mexico, in December 1997, at an elevation roughly 2,800 feet lower than Mexico City. 22 January 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.